Hi, it's Kim, Perry and Kim. I am going to super fast make a video showing you what to do if a whole batch of stuff lands right in stranded. You just sent stuff through Inventory Lab, you listed it, you got it shipped, you were feeling really good, you were watching it show up at the dock, it got checked in, and it all went to stranded and you don't know why. This isn't just one or two isolated incidents, it's the whole batch or a whole bunch of stuff all from one batch. So before you go through and fix them all one by one the hard way, here is a really easy thing to check that might fix it for you. So you are going to log into Inventory Lab. You're going to go to List, Closed Batches. That's where we already are right here. And then you're going to scroll down and find the batch. Probably it's the one right at the top, but just because I'm giving you an example here, I'm going to go way back to something old. Something I don't care if you see. Okay, I don't know what this is. I just clicked it randomly. Let's pretend this is the batch where all this stuff just mysteriously went stranded and you don't know why because you did everything right. You're going to click Restore. Do you want to restore it or create a new batch? You just want to restore it. All you're going to do is give Amazon the information on this stuff again. So it is this one right here. So it shows up in my open batches again, right? I'm going to click on it. This is a bunch of stuff that I haven't sold since forever. I'm going to go down there to Review Batch. I'm going to click Submit. Don't worry, we're not going to mess anything up at Seller Central. We are not creating FBA shipment because we're not shipping all this stuff again. We already shipped it once. Amazon knew it was coming. They just lost some information in the transfer. So we're just sending the information again. Okay. You know what? You're done. That's it. Give it about an hour to totally populate with Seller Central and then run over there and see if all that stuff is fixed. You might have just saved yourself a whole bunch of work. See? That was easy, right? And worst case scenario, you have to do it the hard way or the harder way. If you haven't already seen it, I think I've got a video on how to bulk fix your stranded inventory, which is still way faster than doing it one by one in the stranded inventory interface. But we'll save that for another day if I haven't already done it. Bye!